Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is December 14th, 2015. Happy Monday to everyone. All right, let's get started here with the S&P 500 E-mini futures. You're going to see the futures are trading higher by about 4 points right now to around the 201. I'm going to say 2013 and 3/4, 2014 level. And you can see the futures did sell off here briefly around 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock into the 7 o'clock hour, and pretty good slide for the most part. Now, the markets were damaged on Friday. We definitely had a big sell-off there with the Dow finishing down over 300 points. You also had the NASDAQ down about 111 points. So it was a big dip on Friday, and we'll see how the markets react today. Do we get more of that follow-through selling, or do the markets stabilize ahead of the highly anticipated Federal Reserve announcement, which will be this coming Wednesday? So again, all eyes are going to be on the Fed for this coming Wednesday's meeting, but we still have 3 trading days to go before that announcement, so we have to take it in stride. All right, let's take a look at some stocks in the news today. First, right off the bat, is GoPro being downgraded by Morgan Stanley. Stock had a sensational move last week off the 16 handle. Today it is trading at 18.15. So again, GoPro coming under a little bit of pressure. There's not much we would do with it here, but we will keep this on the radar in the intraday stock chat room today. So again, if you want to trade this alongside of us, come on over, take that 7-day free trial. We've been having a stellar 2015. We had a great week last week. We're going to look to have a great week again this week. Next one I want to talk about is NWL, which is Newell Rubbermaid. Looks like they're going to buy out Jordan, and looks like they are trading lower on that news. So the stock closed at 45.28. It is now trading at 41.54. It is trading down on that news. A level I like here for Newell will be around 39.70. So keep that on the radar. If it gets down to 39.70, it can be a play. Remember, it comes with a little higher risk as they are purchasing a company. They are the acquirer, and generally the company that does the buying will normally go down, and that is the case here. But around the 39.70 level, I kind of like that level. I think that's a good trading level for the stock. Next up, we want to take a look at LNG. This is Cheniere. Looks like they're going to oust their CEO. Stock is trading at 41.20. It closed at 41.29. So again, it did slip a little bit lower, but it is moving back up to the flat line. This will be on the radar today. This is a stock we played last week for a huge gain, and again, we'll keep this one on the radar today. But again, the CEO is getting outed. Next up, I want to talk about ECA, which is Encana, and it looks like the company cut their dividend. So again, one of the many energy, natural gas, all that stuff, one of those stocks in the sector that now are cutting their dividend. You're going to see more of this going forward. Let's take a look at FedEx today. FedEx trading a little bit lower. Stock closed at 144.26, trading at 143.55. Looks like it was downgraded by Raymond James. This is Options X, and I should have talked about that earlier, but this Friday is Options X for the month of December. You're going to get a lot of upgrades, downgrades, and a lot of rumors this week, so just be aware of that. I am seeing some short-term support on FedEx around the 139.50 to 139 level if it does get down there. Baker Hughes is in the news. They are trying to merge with Halliburton, but the stock is coming under pressure today. Closed at 47.80. I'm not sure what the catalyst is for driving it lower, but I will say this. You got to be careful with all of these energy-related stocks right now, especially in this kind of environment. So again, we'll watch Baker Hughes. That's something that will be on the radar for InTheMoneyStocks traders once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at TSL, which is Trina Solar. It looks like stock is trading nicely higher. There's some news out here on Trina Solar. It looks like the CEO or somebody or a group is going to come in and try to buy this out. So again, it looks like they received a buyout offer of $11.60 a share, and that comes from the CEO and also from I believe an equity group as well. So again, if you own this, trail the stop loss. That's the best you could do with it. Other than that, there's really not a play. All right, the gold market today. You have gold futures trading down $3.10 to $10.72 an ounce in gold futures, and then you have crude oil trading down 40 cents to $35.24 a barrel. So again, gold and oil both trading lower. Looks like the dollar is trading up a little bit, but again, nothing all that terrific in the dollar today, so gold and oil could stabilize. Remember, gold will be a very, very big mover on Wednesday regardless. So once the Federal Reserve makes their announcement, watch for a major, major, major move in gold. Whether it's up or down, I have no idea, depending on what they say and do. But nonetheless, that is always a mover, whether it's up or down in a big way, whenever the Fed makes an announcement. So we're going to keep it at that. Short and sweet today. Today is a Monday, a little bit on the quieter side, but futures having a good little reversal pop here, up 6.5 points right now. And if you take a look here at the intraday chart, you're going to see futures put in their low right there around 7:30 this morning and have been inching higher. So right now, futures down, futures higher by about 6 points right now. So we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. But get ready for an interesting trading day, interesting trading week, and again, we'll see you on the charts. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading day, and we'll see you a little bit later.